This morning, when I opened my World application, I was surprised because I noticed I had more than 1,000 in my wallet. When I checked where it came from, I found out it was from my mini apps. Okay, the Worldcoin that I deposited in mini apps. Then I found out that our investment can also be seen in the Morpho many apps. So it's like they are the same, just different apps. And let's not get confused because they are just the same. You can claim from either of the two mini apps, either an Ono or Morpho, because the two mini apps are the same. So that's why before you withdraw, make sure to check where the amount in your wallet is coming from. This is one of the new updates in the World application. Now you can already see your investment directly in your wallet or in the application wall. So unlike before when this features was not available, so you cannot see. Now you can see now. That's it.